my name is Timothy Mitchell. I'm with LexJet, and I am here with my friend and colleague, Rob Levin, and we are going to talk a little bit about the EFI 30H.
Correct.
As I understand it, this is a cool cure LED technology.
Correct.
Right? So it uses LED lamps, and the lamps run at effectively room temperature. So there's really no heat being applied to media.
Correct, yeah. So the lamps don't heat up over 180 degrees, and subsequently they don't heat the substrate over 80 degrees. So the substrate itself is going to be pretty much at room temperature, so you're not going to get any warping or change in color across the top of the material, like that sheen that sometimes you get when there's heat involved.
Yeah, so you can also then run very temperature sensitive media without concern that it's going to warp it, whereas either older LED technology, mercury bulb, or even latex that's heating materials up, there's just a threshold that temperature sensitive media can't take.
Correct, yeah. If you were to send a 2 millimeter plastic through, say, a latex printer or an older UV printer that's running mercury arc lamps, it would start to warp, it would start to bubble up. I would have no issues with that on this device.
Okay. LED lamps, as I understand from all your other printers, you don't treat them as a consumable. They're going to last, if not the life of the printer, so long that it won't really, something in that neighborhood.
Correct, yeah. So we're going to warranty those lamps up to 20,000 hours. Interesting fact, they're solid state lamps. So that means they're either going to turn on or they're not going to turn on upon delivery.
Okay.
We've had less than 1% fail on startup. And after that, we've not had one single lamp fail under the 20,000 hour threshold.
None.
Not one.
Wow. Okay, so the lamps go on only when you need them. They don't stay on. They don't have to warm up. So they just click on, they click off when you're done, and you have like a number of hours that's just absurd.
Correct. And that's what I always like to tell people. It's not a 20,000 working hours. It's actually 20,000 hours of putting ink on material.